Hey guys, Mark with Think Insurance, and today we're going to talk about kind of a odd topic, is my thoughts on the insurance industry and where I think that they're going to go with it. So a lot of the tech is starting to take over, and it will be decades before it actually reaches its peak. So the other part is that these companies are realizing this and they're investing into the tech. So your State Farms, your Progressive, your Geico's, all of these guys that have the billions of dollars, they're doing just as good. Your Lemonades and your Root Insurances and all of these really high advanced quoting platforms are going to create an insuretech growth. Will they sneak in and try to grab some of the business? They're going to probably grab a handful of it, but once the big guys get involved, then it's game over because they can afford to lower the prices to beat all of the other companies. Will it be too late? We don't know. That's actually the old technology that I think that we're going to see here in the next decade. What we might see, in my personal opinion, on the way that things are going, we all have our electric vehicles, we have our Teslas, everything's starting to operate on its own. It's the newest tech that can drive your car, that can park for you, that can let you take your hands off the wheel and just hang out driving down the highway. There's a lot of different things that are cool. What if you get in your car and instead of you calling your agent, you load your screen and Google, who is working on an insurance program, which I will link up here, one of these sites, but they are going to pop up on your screen and say, hey, this vehicle isn't insured. Please log in and register. Once you log in or you've registered or you have your ID, your I'm Mark in the world, you choose what insurance you want to have and what type of coverage you think you should get. Now, these systems are smart. So what if they know exactly what car you're driving and how much liability the typical claim is on that vehicle? If you knew your occupation and it knew what your risk level was and how much you drove in the past, I get it, don't give my data out, but it's gonna probably be an option that most people will opt into. What if you only paid pennies on the dollar of what you pay today because the algorithms have already calculated and know that you aren't gonna have an accident in this decade? The chances of it happening are probably be about 5 to 10%, which they're gonna take that bet to the bank and love the fact that they have invested and created a program that knows exactly the steps that are going to happen. Look at what else is happening. You got Amazon opening up grocery stores. You walk in, you put the groceries in your cart, you walk out, you don't touch anything. It knows everything you bought. Once you walked out, it charges your account and you're done. You don't even have to check out. So I think with the right technology and the pieces and the way that the wave is going to become the biggest, best, let's disrupt the insurance industry and improve it. What if it was that simple and that inexpensive for you to get into that vehicle, press a few buttons, and it knows the risk? Now, I have a lot of opposing parts to that, but I'm curious to see what your guys' thoughts are. Let me know in the comments below. Let's see, what do you think that the insurance industry has or could improve on that would ultimately benefit the human race? Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell icon on to get more videos like this. If you're looking for best deals on insurance, that decade has not come yet, so go ahead and watch these videos on how to save money and time with the best policy that you guys can get. I'm Mark with Think Insurance. I will see you in the next one.